Hey everybody, this is Michael McAvoy. So today I'm going to do a demonstration of a glutathione nebulizer. This is a phenomenal idea. So there's a product called Glutastat. They make this nasal spray, this glutathione nasal spray, and there's also some N-acetylcysteine in here, which is a glutathione precursor, as well as some antimicrobial herbs. And this particular setup is essentially a mask that's connected to a nebulizer device. And essentially what I'm doing is basically show you how you do it. It's actually very simple. But glutathione, obviously being an important antioxidant and one of the most important endogenously produced antioxidants in the body. And when you're dealing with respiratory related problems, that may include sinusitis, fungal rhinitis, asthma. If you're dealing with mold exposure, inhaling mold spores, if you're dealing with these kinds of related problems, you may want to consider glutathione nebulizers. It's a great way to introduce this powerful antioxidant into the body, especially when you're dealing with respiratory and upper respiratory related problems. So this is different than taking glutathione orally, for example, or even intravenously, which may have other applications, but specifically we're targeting the respiratory tract. And a lot of people that have mold exposure, chronic inflammatory response syndrome, upper respiratory related issues can tremendously benefit from nebulizing glutathione. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this milliliter vial and I'm going to apply, I'm just going to do a small amount just to demonstrate it to you. I'm going to do about 1 milliliter. Standard dosage is 1 to 2 milliliters. So you can't see it, but I'm going to insert the milliliters vial into the glutathione, and it's going to give me, there you have about 1 even milliliter here. And I don't want to spill it, so I'm going to close it. Great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the nebulizer mask, remove the top, set that down for a second, and I'm going to inject the glutathione liquid directly into this top piece here. As you see the liquid, so that's your herbs in there as well as your glutathione. I'm going to close the top back up. Make sure that all of the tubes are tightly secured, including the mask as well as the actual nebulizer itself. Put it on, and I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. Turn it on, and we go. So I'm going to stop, just take it off for a second, see how much I got left. I actually do have a little bit left, so I'm going to just, for sake of the video, just going to stop recording here. But you can actually see the actual benefit. You definitely feel a rush of energy, and I'm going to kind of let that sulfuric smell linger in my nostrils and sinuses a little bit. And it's not too strong, it's not too bad. Many of you know the glutathione, it's a tripeptide, so you've got cysteine, glutamine, glycine in there. So the sulfur, you can definitely taste it. It's really not that strong though. It's quite mild. And again, if you've got respiratory related problems, maybe even sinus infections, sinusitis, Marcons, asthma, various respiratory problems, you definitely are going to want to consider nebulizing glutathione. So it's a really great product. And for a couple $100, $280 or so, you can get this nebulizer kit from Glutastat. So highly recommend it.